Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where we practice simple English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thank you for joining us again. We're so happy you're here, whether you're at home, cooking in the kitchen, or maybe even eating something right now.
Yes, and today's topic is all about food, but not just any food. We are talking about healthy food.
That's right. Healthy food means food that helps us feel strong, happy, and full of energy.
Like fruits and vegetables.
And also foods like fish, chicken, beans, and eggs.
I'm already hungry, Ben.
Me too. But don't worry, listeners. Today we will make it fun and easy.
Before we start, let's ask you a question. Do you like eating fruits and vegetables?
Think about it for a moment. You can even say your answer out loud.
And remember, you can download our free PDF transcript. It includes today's conversation and some simple practice exercises.
All right, let's get started with healthy food.
So, Ben, let's start very simple. What is healthy food?
Good question, Anna. Healthy food is food that is good for our body. It helps us stay strong, it gives us energy, and it makes us feel good inside.
Yes, when I hear the words healthy food, the first thing I think about is fruit. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, mangoes, watermelon, so many colors and flavors.
That sounds delicious already. And don't forget vegetables. Vegetables are so important. Carrots, broccoli, cucumbers, spinach, tomatoes, corn. So many choices.
That's right. And fruits and vegetables give us many vitamins. Vitamins help our eyes, our skin, our hair, and our body stay strong.
And, Anna, there's another thing. We cannot forget water. Water is maybe the most important, healthy food we can drink.
Oh yes, water is life. If we drink water, we feel fresh. If we don't drink enough water, we feel tired and weak.
Exactly. So we have fruit, vegetables, and water. But, Anna, I think there is another group we need, right?
Yes, of course. We also need protein. Protein helps us grow and stay strong. For example, we can eat fish. Fish is very good for the heart.
And we can eat chicken too. Chicken is healthy, not too heavy, and many people like it.
Some people don't eat meat, so they can eat beans. Beans are very good. They are small, but they are full of protein.
That's right. And don't forget eggs. Eggs are simple, but they are also healthy. You can eat eggs for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner.
I love eggs. They are easy to cook: boiled eggs, fried eggs, scrambled eggs, so many ways.
So, healthy food can be many things. Colorful fruits, fresh vegetables, clean water, and strong protein foods like fish, chicken, beans, and eggs.
Yes, and if we eat from these groups every day, our body feels happy, and our mind feels happy too.
Now, let's ask you a question. What healthy food do you like most? Do you like sweet fruit, green vegetables, or maybe fish and eggs?
Take a moment and say your answer. And don't forget, you can also share with us in the comments. We'd love to know your favorite healthy food. Before we go deeper, let's learn some key words and phrases about healthy food. These will help you understand today's conversation.
Healthy food. Food that is good for the body and mind. For example, eating healthy food makes me feel strong and happy.
Stay strong. To keep your body powerful and not weak. For example, we eat vegetables to stay strong.
Gives us energy. Helps us feel active and not tired. For example, breakfast gives us energy for the whole day.
Good for the heart. Helps keep your heart healthy. For example, fish is good for the heart.
Feel fresh. To feel awake, clean, and full of life. For example, a glass of cold water makes me feel fresh.
So now we know what healthy food is. But Ben, let's ask another big question. Why do we need healthy food?
Good question, Anna. We need healthy food because it gives us energy. Energy means power. When we eat good food, we can walk, run, study, and play without feeling too tired.
Ah, yes. For example, when I eat fruit in the morning, like a banana or an apple, I feel ready to start my day. I have more energy. I don't feel sleepy.
Same for me. If I eat a good breakfast, I feel awake and ready. But if I skip breakfast or only eat cookies, I feel slow.
That's right. So, reason number 1, healthy food gives us energy.
Reason number 2, healthy food helps us grow. Children grow taller and stronger when they eat good food. Adults also stay healthy when they eat balanced meals.
Yes. When children drink milk, eat eggs, and eat vegetables, their bones and muscles grow. If they don't, sometimes they feel weak.
And reason number 3, healthy food makes us strong. Our body feels stronger. Our bones, our muscles, even our teeth, they all need healthy food.
Strong teeth. I like that. If you eat apples or carrots, your teeth stay strong. But if you drink too much soda, your teeth can have problems.
Yes, that's a good example. And reason number 4, healthy food can help our mind. It makes us feel happy.
I agree. If I eat too much junk food, like fried snacks or candy, I feel heavy and slow. Sometimes I even feel a little sad or sleepy.
But when we eat healthy food like vegetables, fruit, or fish, we feel light, fresh, and happy. Our mind works better.
That's so true. For example, when I drink enough water and eat a salad for lunch, I feel fresh and ready to work again. But when I eat only fried food, I feel heavy and tired, and I don't want to do anything.
Same here. Healthy food gives us power for school, for work, for hobbies, and for fun with friends.
So, to answer the question, we need healthy food because it gives us energy, it helps us grow, it makes us strong, and it keeps us happy.
Now, let's ask you, how do you feel when you eat healthy food? Do you feel happy? Do you feel strong? Do you feel full of energy?
Take a moment and say your answer out loud. Don't be shy.
And remember, you can also share your answer with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Now that we know what healthy food is, let's look at some useful phrases we can use when talking about why healthy food is important. Helps us grow. Supports our body to become taller and stronger. For example, milk and eggs help us grow when we are children.
Makes us strong. Keeps our body powerful, with healthy muscles, bones, and teeth. For example, vegetables and fish make us strong.
Feel heavy and tired. To feel slow, lazy, and without energy. For example, after too much fried food, I feel heavy and tired.
Feel light and fresh. To feel clean, happy, and full of energy. For example, a salad for lunch makes me feel light and fresh. Feel light and fresh. To feel clean, happy, and full of energy. For example, a salad for lunch makes me feel light and fresh. Okay, Ben. So far we talked about what healthy food is and why we need it. But now, let's make it simple for our listeners. Let's share some easy tips for eating healthy.
Yes, simple tips are the best, because sometimes eating healthy feels difficult. But really, we can start small.
Tip number 1, drink water. Drink water every day. Not too much soda, not too much juice, just water.
Yes, water helps our body stay fresh and clean. When I drink enough water, I feel good, but when I forget, I feel tired.
Me too. I always carry a water bottle in my bag. That way, I can drink anytime.
Good idea, Anna. Okay, tip number 2. Eat more vegetables. Try to put some vegetables on your plate every meal.
Yes, vegetables are colorful, and they give us vitamins. Carrots, spinach, broccoli, cucumber, cabbage, so many choices.
Sometimes people say, I don't like vegetables. But my advice is, try cooking them in different ways. For example, steamed, stir-fried, or in a soup.
Exactly. And remember, vegetables don't have to be boring. Add a little garlic or lemon, and they taste great.
Tip number 3. Eat fruit every day. Fruit is sweet, fresh, and easy. You can eat an apple, a banana, or some grapes.
Yes, fruit is also a good snack. Instead of chips or candy, we can eat fruit.
And tip number 4. Cook at home when possible. Cooking at home is usually healthier than eating out.
Yes, because when we cook at home, we know what's inside the food. Less oil, less sugar, less salt. More fresh ingredients.
That's right. And cooking at home can also be fun. You can cook with your family or friends.
So, these are 4 easy tips. Drink water, eat more vegetables, eat fruit every day, and cook at home when possible.
Now, here's our question for you. Which tip do you use? Do you drink a lot of water? Do you eat vegetables every day? Do you cook at home?
Take a moment and say your answer out loud. And remember, you can also share with us in the comments. We'd love to read your ideas.
Finally, let's check some practical phrases. These are tips you can use in your daily life when eating healthy. Drink water every day to keep your body healthy by drinking enough water. For example, doctors say we should drink water every day.
Eat more vegetables. Add more vegetables to meals for vitamins and health. For example, try to eat more vegetables instead of fried food.
Eat fruit every day. Have fresh fruit daily as part of a healthy diet. For example, I like to eat fruit every day, like bananas and apples.
Cook at home. Prepare meals at home instead of buying fast food. For example, it's cheaper and healthier if you cook at home.
Fresh ingredients. Natural foods that are not old or processed. For example, when we cook with fresh ingredients, the food tastes better.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Click the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest episodes.
Now, it's time for your practice challenge.
We have 3 parts for you today: listening, speaking, and writing.
First, your listening challenge. Listen to this episode again from the beginning. While listening, try to find the parts where we talked about eating fruit, eating vegetables, drinking water, eating protein foods like fish, beans, chicken, or eggs, getting energy from food, feeling happy and strong after eating healthy meals.
You can pause the episode, repeat the sentences out loud, or write the words in your notebook.
Next, your speaking challenge. Try to say 3 to 5 sentences in English about what healthy food do you eat every day.
For example, I eat fruit every morning. I drink water all day. I eat vegetables with my dinner.
And finally, your writing challenge. Write a short paragraph about your own healthy food habits. For example, I like healthy food. I eat bananas and apples in the morning. For lunch, I eat rice with vegetables. I drink water all day. Healthy food makes me feel happy and strong.
That's a great practice. And if you want, you can also share your sentences or your short paragraph in the comments. We really love hearing from you.
Yes, please share with us. It helps you practice, and it makes us so happy to read your answers. So today, we talked all about healthy food.
Yes, we learned what healthy food is, why we need it, and some easy tips for eating better.
We also practiced useful words like fruit, vegetables, water, cook, energy, grow, strong, happy.
And we even gave you a little speaking challenge to try this week.
Remember, healthy food gives us energy, helps us grow, makes us strong, and keeps us happy.
That's a good reason to start today.
Don't forget you can download our free PDF transcript. It has today's conversation and some practice exercises.
And now we want to hear from you. Please share in the comments, what is your favorite healthy food? And what topic do you want us to talk about next time?
Yes, your ideas help us make new episodes. So don't be shy, share your favorite food, and suggest a new topic.
Thank you for listening, friends.
And remember, practice a little English every day. Bye-bye.